Hello everyone, and I'm back with another video where I simplify SAP concepts for you. In this video, we will understand the basic differences between serial number and batch number. These two terms play a very important role, especially in the manufacturing industry. To understand these terms better, we will take an example of a factory that produces potato chips. Starting with serial numbers. In SAP, serial numbers are unique identifiers given to each unit produced. You could think of it as a unique ID, just like your car's registration number. In our example of potato chips factory, each packet that comes out of production line is given a unique serial number. If a factory produces 1000 packets of chips a day, each packet will have a unique serial number. It allows us to track the product right from the production line until it reaches consumers' hands. Now coming to batch numbers. Opposite to serial numbers, batch numbers is a common identifier given to a group of products produced under same conditions. So in a potato chips factory, each flavor of chips will represent a different batch number. Batch numbers plays an important role in quality control. Let's say an issue is found in a packet of chips. With batch numbers, we can identify other packets of chips also which were produced under same conditions and recall them if needed. To put it in simple terms, serial numbers helps us to track an individual unit of a product, whereas batch numbers helps us to control and manage group of products which were produced under same conditions. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, do not forget to check out my ebooks on SAP Basics, which covers 70 topics like this one. They're not specific to any one module but covers SAP topics in general. People who have read them told me that it has helped them a lot prepare for their interviews. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.